Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, and today we are back here in the city of sin. We are back in Las Vegas, doing some pre-evening, pre-dark type of filming for you guys, and then once it gets completely dark out, we'll go ahead and do a strip walk video for you guys. So this video I am doing in 4K 30 frames per second and doing super view for you guys. So I'm switching it up a little bit. The reason for that being is camera overheats way too much on 60 frames per second. Before I would get like 25 minutes, and now we're only getting 10 to 13. So not doing too terribly great there, but anyway. We will make our way down towards the Mirage. That's my end goal, is to make it down to the Mirage, and then once we get there, throw some dollars until it becomes completely night, and then once it's completely dark out, we'll take this venture and come back to the MGM for you guys, all in darkness, so you guys can see all the lights, the glitz and the glamour here, the fabulous city. Pizza is over on my right hand side, so if you guys have ate there in the past, it is still here. Don't let the construction fool you. I have the ticket for tonight shop up on the left. Over to the right is the entrance to Planet Hollywood's casino floor for you guys. Directly across the street is the Cosmo. And over on my right is P.F. Chang's. So if you guys were looking for that, that's where that is. Sorry about all the noise. I got an ambulance going down the boulevard. Coming up on my left is the Bellagio. Coming up on my right will be Paris once we get up towards there. Making our way towards Paris and Las Vegas Boulevard right now. Got another ambulance going. Over on my right is Shivers Cocktails, so if you guys want to grab a mixed drink, those ice yardsticks, they got those there. Sephora, Miracle Miles up over on my right. Cabo Wabo Cantina is over on my right as well. So if you guys want to check that out, that's where those places are. Straight ahead of us is the Bellagio. The fountains here should be going off any moment now. Today is, what is today? Today is Wednesday today. It is about 7:30-ish tonight, or maybe about 6:30 right now. And it is a fairly busy day. We're here over Memorial Day, so it was pretty crowded at the MGM. Parking was kind of hard to find, but we managed to get it done. I'm going to be staying actually at the Bellagio in July, so if you guys want to check out the videos and get the updated content, I've already shared that with my Patreon viewers. You guys get the updates as soon as I get them, so if I am taking a trip, I will let all my Patreon members know, and I will tell the rest of you all on YouTube later. So consider supporting the channel that way. It definitely helps get more content just like this film for you guys, so I hope you all enjoy the videos, and that helps create them. Over to the right is the ballpark. Rooftop Bar and Grill. They have a little daiquiri shop again for those yard-long drinks. You can get those up on my right here. Alexia's bar and like little bites to eat is up over on my right. Right now we're crossing Paris Drive here on Las Vegas Boulevard. Make our way up towards Paris. And then also CVS Pharmacy will be up here as well. But I don't need to make the stop, I already did that. Got myself some smart water, so I got a big old liter of that, so I should be fine. Hex Burgers is off over to my right, so if you guys are interested in a bite to eat, I had a friend that ate there. They said it was really good, so I'll definitely have to check that out. So some channels I wanted to mention to you guys. Some North Cal slot guy, he's a slot channel that's out there, PJ Slots. I just wanted to throw you guys' names out there. I know you guys supported me in the past and always have, so I appreciate all the community support, and I wanted to drop some names. Make sure you guys check out some of their videos, show them some support, as well as the others out there. You know, some of the bigger channels like All You Can Vegas, and say hi to Matthew, two of my other buddies as well, and then Jacob with Jacob's Life in Vegas as well. So everybody in YouTube that I've met has been awesome, so no bad things to say about any fellow creators. Everybody kind of does their own thing and has their own unique spin and twist on it, so it's cool to see what all the other creators do for you as well. We just had a blue Lamborghini pass. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was pretty sweet. It's just disappointing what happened to this Ferrari up here. They had a Ferrari parked out in front of Bally's. I'd say it's probably been there for at least a year now, and people keep the living shit out of that Ferrari, which is unfortunate, because it was such a beautiful car. I think it was a 458 Italia that they messed up. Not a cheap car either by any means, like $288,000. But CVS Pharmacy is over up on my right-hand side, which means Bally's entrance is coming up. We're coming up on Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard here, and a little skywalk thing will take you over to the Bellagio and over to Caesars and the Mirage. But I think we'll cross up by the volcano once we get closer to getting that done here. So you guys can check that out. Yeah, Wahlburgers and Sunglass Hut over here. That Ben and Jerry's is open. So you guys grab your ice cream. Get your brain freeze ready, because summertime is almost here. There's a few escalators down today, so that kind of sucks. Up over on the left is a blue Lamborghini, if you guys can see it there. Pretty sweet, looks like a Huracan. Then here's that red Ferrari that I was telling you about that got destroyed. People keyed that car really, really bad, which is unfortunate because it's a beautiful car. Over on my right is Ben and Jerry's, so if you guys want to check that out. And all sorts of stuff in there, waffle cones, regular soft serve, all sorts of stuff. Tickets for tonight. Here's another little booth for those guys. This place is getting more and more filled out as the years go on. There's a bunch of little shops that have added to this little part in Bali, so if you guys want to check that out, be sure to check that out. Coming up on the Cromwell here. Another ambulance going. That's 3 in 10 minutes. Make our way over the sky bridge here, across Flamingo. We'll hit up Cromwell. Cromwell doesn't allow filming, so we won't walk through there. It smells really good though, and I always walk by the door to catch the air conditioning. But I think for the night walk back, I think we'll do the other side of the boulevard, basically from the Mirage all the way back down MGM, New York, New York, and then we'll cross over at New York, New York. So once it gets a little bit darker, we'll do some more filming for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy some of the stuff that we have planned for tonight. Like I said, I was good today. I stayed sober, hadn't touched a drop of alcohol. That way I'm sober when I do this. So that way we don't have any slurred speech or anything like that going on, because we all know how annoying that gets. But anyway, we're coming up on the Cromwell Hotel and Casino here.
Man, I might want to do.
Oh man, they don't have the big vents pushing all the ice cold air outside. That's unfortunate, but oh well, what can you do? On our way over here, this will bring you to the Flamingo. So up over here will be Flamingo, great little spot. They have Margaritaville in Flamingo, and you know what this means. You're getting close to In-N-Out, guys. In-N-Out's up here as well. Good bite to eat, but as my buddy said, there's a reason why they call it In-N-Out, because it goes in and out. But making our way right in front of the Flamingo here, that'll be cool once it's all lit up. So tonight, when that starts to go off, that'll be kind of cool to see. So definitely have to check that out, as well as some of the other places here for when it gets dark this evening. So somebody wanted me to update them on Resort World. So I'm gonna give you guys the scoop. Resort World is in progress. It's still being built. They're starting to put the glass in the facade on the outside of the building, but the only problem with it being is it resembles Wynn and Encore so similarly that they had launched a lawsuit against Resort World to stop it from being completed because of the mock design of Encore Wynn, which they say is copywritten. So building has continued. The lawsuit is still in progress, so I guess we'll see if that changes anything. I highly doubt it, since it's almost 3/4 of the way done, but we'll see how that plans out anyway. Wine and Spirits shop for Flamingo is right over to the right for you guys, so if you guys need to grab a drink. They also have liquor there, so check that out. And then up here will be Margaritaville. So that's coming up very, very shortly here for you guys. And oh man, it feels so good with that air conditioning, I'm telling you guys. And then this smell of weed is in the air again. Not an uncommon sight here in Las Vegas, or uncommon smell, shall we say, since it's been legalized. But it doesn't really bother me, but some folks don't particularly care for it, which is understandable. Over to the right is Margaritaville. They have Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, as well as a little gift shop up here, so you can get all of your Flamingo Margaritaville souvenirs for friends and family. And we're basically coming up on Caesar's Palace Drive, and up in between the Link here and the Flamingo. The Link Promenade is coming up, so I filmed that for you guys the other day. So if you guys like that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and show your support on that video by sharing it with your friends and family. But In-N-Out Burger, follow the sign, and that will take you directly to In-N-Out. Busy intersection. It's always crazy to see when all the lights change, all the people crossing. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even notice the LED board that they put up. Right above the link sign. That's cool. That's new and I didn't even notice it. But anyway, we will continue our way up. Over to the right is the link. So if you guys want to check that out, I think my buddy's staying here in July. So my buddy Alex said he was going to join us from Salt Lake City. So I will have yet again another friend on the channel for you guys. And yeah, I have people all over the US, so it's kind of nice that Vegas is usually a stopping point for everybody. And it usually works out because Vegas is relatively cheap to get to and generally inexpensive if you know where to go. Now, if you're trying to buy stuff on the Strip, that's a completely different story, and I don't have enough time to nearly explain everything about what is wrong with trying to buy stuff on the Strip. If you do buy stuff on the Strip, be sure to know where to get it from. Those little gift shops, the 2 for $5 beers are kind of good. Decent deals anyway. Decent enough to where it's not busting an arm and a leg to get everything done. Over on my left is Caesar's Forums for you guys, so if you guys want to check that out, literally has not changed in 25 years, but if you guys want to check it out, it's there. Not going anywhere. This sign is new. I guess I never noticed this from years past. I'll have to check that out during the night too, see how it all looks. And coming up over on my right is going to be Guy Fieri's. And then on my left is Harris, and the Carnival Court is straight ahead of us. Rather annoying when you're staying at Harris, especially when that thing is bumping till 2 a.m., sometimes later. And yeah, gets a little bit difficult to sleep sometimes, but that's why I always like higher floor hotel rooms, because then it kind of eliminates all the noise out from down below and the boulevard and the traffic and everything. But since the city did ordinances on the loudspeakers and stuff, that really hasn't been an issue. I know when I was in Paris, I was on the 27th floor, and I could literally hear the dude with the loudspeaker on the Strip. My goodness, that smell stinks. I hate Harris. Ugh. It smells atrocious, but I still filmed it for you guys just because that's where we started the Strip walk. We have to keep it original, keep it going just like we have. I don't want to change anything as long as I don't have to. So the whole purpose of that walk is to keep everything how you see it, as I see it, as I did when I walked the very first time and that video exploded. So that's where you all know that that video is not going anywhere. That will remain the same as long as these places are still around to walk through. I will continue to do that. Stuff updates along the way, but I will share all those changes with you guys as well. But we are here at my stopping point, about 20 minutes on the video. And we're here at the Mirage, so I'm gonna throw some dollars down. Once I get done with that, I'll take you guys back on a night tour of the Las Vegas Boulevard. But as always, guys, thanks for stopping in. If you guys like the video, be sure to like it. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, but be sure to share this video with your friends and family. But until next time.